Welcome to my YouTube channel, English Academy. Do you speak Spanish? Yes, I can speak Spanish. What about Arabic? I can speak Arabic also. How was your day? It was too bad. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 4 brothers. Where are you from? I'm from North America. What time is it? It's 4 p.m. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. What about you? I'm 60 years old. Where were you yesterday? I went to hospital. What do you do? I'm a doctor. Where do you live? I live in Florida. How far Florida from New York? I don't know exactly. What is your name? My name is Jones. How are you, Jones? I'm fine, thanks. What about you, dear? I'm also fine. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How is the weather today? It's warm and sunny. Do you enjoy writing? Yes, I like writing articles. Where did you go on last vacation? I went to Germany. Are you married or single? Yes, I'm married. How many children do you have? I have 2 children. Are they single? Yes. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. How many seasons in Pakistan? There are 4 seasons in Pakistan. Winter, summer, spring, autumn. Do you play any musical instrument? Yes, I play the guitar. Are you watching cricket? Yes, I am. Which one is your favorite team? South Africa is my favorite team. Why not Pakistan cricket team? Because Pakistan have not a good player. Who won the ICC T20 World Cup? 2024. India won the final. Who beat India in the final? South Africa. That's great. See you in the next time. Thanks for watching.